On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas,
For this recipe, I'm just getting started and peeling my sweet potatoes, and later I'm gonna chop it. Now I'm ready to chop my sweet potatoes, and later I'm going to top them with some water and boil them until they are nice and soft. Cook for 15 to 25 minutes until it's soft. So I drained the sweet potatoes. Now it's ready to put some yummy flavors. We have the sugar, the egg, salt, we have the lemon juice, the ginger, the cinnamon, vanilla, maple syrup, and milk. We also have the butter. And now it's time to mix together, smash it. I'm going to continue with the mixer. And now it's ready for the toppings, and let's put this sweet potato to the pan, baking pan. We are ready to prepare the toppings, the pecan. Now I'm going to prepare a pecan toppings for my sweet potato. We have the pecan, we have the butter, the brown sugar, and the flour mixed together. I'm going to smash it with a fork. there you go. I'm gonna cover this with foil and put it in the oven for 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna cook it for 30 minutes. So we're gonna cook for another 10 minutes without a foil to make the top pecans, golden brown. It's ready. Wow, that looks really delicious.